Good morning, all of you. In last lecture, we discussed about the complete excretory system: kidney, ureter, urethra, urinary bladder. The function of these all parts of the excretory system. But in this system, we see the structure of nephron. In this lecture, we discuss about the structure of nephron. You know, millions of nephrons present in the kidney, and kidney helps to filter the blood, extra urea, extra salt, and extra water from the food. Yes, see, first of all, yes, nephron is the unit of excretion. This is the part of millions of nephrons are there which helps to filter the blood, and this is the part of the Bowman capsule. This part is a Bowman capsule. Small part is a cup shape is like there. Here the bundles of the capillary. See here, bunch of the capillaries are there. See, it is a basic structure comprise the Bowman's capsule in which is present a bunch of capillaries. That is called glomerulus. Yes, that is called glomerulus. Glomerulus helps in makes the bunch of capillaries bundle working like a filter. It helps to filter the blood, to remove the extra urine, extra salt, extra urea and water. Yes, Bowman capsule is leads to the tubular part of the nephron. This is the tubular part of the nephron. The tubular part of the that is the proximal convoluted tubules. Yes, see there. Here. This part is there from the Bowman capsule, move from here to here, then, and this is called the loop of Henle, and this half part is called proximal convoluted tubules. And after a loop of Henle, what is the function of loop of Henle? Recovery of water and the sodium chloride from the urine. Here urine form. Here the blood capillaries, blood come inside there, and filtration of the blood takes place, and which one more salt, more water move in this side in the form of urine, and here the proximal convoluted tubules function is to reabsorb the extra water, extra salt, and again send back if required. Yes, what is the function of DCT? There the proximal thickness, that is a 5 mm length is there in human. It regulates the pH of the by absorbing bicarbonate. Yes, see there. The tubular part is the proximal convoluted tubules and U-shaped tubules called loop of Henle, and the distal convoluted tubule. These three parts are there: PCT, loop of Henle, and DCT. All the collecting tubules of all nephrons open in the uterus, and uterus takes the urine into the urinary bladder, and afterward last is the urethra, which remove the urine from our body. Extra water, extra salt, extra urea, extra another thing also which is extra in nature, that is removed by the urine in the form of urine. Yes. Next, all the collecting tubules already told how urine form. Now you see there, ultrafiltration of blood takes place in the glomerulus in the Bowman capsule. Ultrafiltration. Ultra means very high power filtration is there in that Bowman capsule. So millions of nephrons are there in the kidney. So it is a very important part of our life to remove the toxin substances from our body. Yes. Selective reabsorption of the glucose, amino acid, salt and water takes place in PCT. What is the function of PCT? The selective reabsorption of the glucose, amino acid, salt, water, which is important for our body, again taken by the body. Yes. Secretion of the nitrogen wastage creatinine takes place in the DCT. Yes. Afterward, the urine collected in the ureter, collecting tubes, that helps to remove the extra salt, extra water, and extra urea. Secretion of nitrogen. Urea is the nitrogen waste. Yes. What is the function? Formula of urea: NH2 C double bond NH2, and we can say that NH2CO NH2 urea. This is the formula of urea. Yes, see there. Selective reabsorption, secretion of nitrogen waste, example creatinine, extra creatinine means extra water, extra salt, extra amino acid which converted into the urea, takes place in the DCT, and the final product urine formed at the DCT. The nephron increases the surface area. Nephron increases the surface area for the filtration of the blood. They are the rich supplied by network of capillaries, bunch of capillaries. They are the two have a thin surface for easy diffusion of substance such as a urea, glucose. Extra urea and glucose filter from there. That is the Bowman capsule. And some another excretory products are formed in our body, that is called sweat, which releases the extra water, urea and salt. And second is the carbon dioxide removed by our lungs, which is not required in our body. We take the oxygen and give back the carbon dioxide by using which process? That is called respiration, and we get the energy also from this process. Yes, and this is a physical matter. Physical matter means undigested food removed by the large intestine. Skin is an accessory excretory organ of our body. Skin is accessory excretory organ of our body. So student, this is the main working of the nephron is there. Bowman capsule, how filtration takes place in the kidney, in the structure of the nephron. Yes, thank you.